Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Okay YouTube, how are we doing? In this episode, what we're going to do is we are going to put another coat of fiberglass on, and then first we have to sand this down, put another coat of fiberglass on, make our bumper stronger. Remember, this is a positive mold, not a negative mold, so we don't care what underneath looks like. I've already started to see how it's going to release, and this thing is going to pop right off. We're going to get sanding, and stay tuned. Alright YouTube, if you have to stop like we do, you want to be able to stop in a spot, alright, where you don't have, you want to take the material off, okay? So we needed to cut this off here because we had to stop. So we can continue that way when we come back, but right now we have to stop. So this is fiberglass with the mesh, and we're gonna do the whole entire thing with the mesh. And then we'll sand it down slightly, and then we'll hit it again with the mesh.
Alright YouTube, Jay and I look like messes because we just finished first coat of fiberglass mesh. This was a bit of a pain in the butt, but we did get it finally done. So next up is the fiberglass. What is it? The fiberglass mesh? Woven fiber. Oh yeah, woven fiberglass, and that'll go on. I don't know, probably tomorrow, maybe the next day. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. But there it is. So now we gotta wait for all this to dry, and we'll pick it up later. So I wanted to show you guys what it was like, you know, what it looks like. Alright, cool. So, thank you guys for watching.
Come on! What are you doing?
Look, gee. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And
Alright, not too happy, but not bad. There are a couple of spots that are, I guess I didn't put enough hardener in it, but that's okay because the next layer will adhere to that and it will harden up. Alright, so, but to sand it down and get what I wanted, not bad. Remember, this is only the first layer, so this layer is only 3 mil thick. Okay, so other than that, you can see here where it wants to release already from the actual bumper itself. So so now what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some glass, and this time we're going to use the woven fiberglass, and we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit pause, set up some glass. I'm going to put this outside in the sun, which will also help it dry quicker. Okay, and we'll go from there. You approve? What do you think? All right, YouTube. Now we have 2 coats. We have one first layer of fiberglass mat, and the second layer is woven mesh. So this is a woven mesh, and it is drying. It's just about dry. It's a little tacky. Very little tacky here and there. So I'm going to put another layer of fiberglass mat on it, and then we will start sanding it down. Then once it's sanded down, we'll pull it apart. I'm going to hit pause. We'll be back.